This is what they call the bonus room. It's more like a dungeon. So David is taking the ceiling out, and then it's a big mess. And he's going to open, excuse me, open that wall up over to the workshop area. And I'm here breathing all kinds of hazardous stuff. But it'll be cool when he gets it done.
Is my hammer out here?
No, I can go get it. And we found this is a panel to an old car that was up in the little attic area of this. So this is the place, this is his workshop area, and this is the add-on in the back of the house. Those are shelves that I've been painting that are going to go back in the pantry, some of the other closets. And he's making a pile of debris again.